Woot woot! We're on our way, baby! Day 2. Yeah, so today, since we got the ribs of the floor in, we're gonna finalize, get everything laid out where we think the edges of like cabinets, doors, walls, all of the, you know, structural components that are gonna need a little bit of extra support or like some tie-in space. That's the main component for today. Alrighty, so far so good. Our start today is pretty strong. Everything is laid out. Now we're cutting foam. Big moment. So floor is gonna get insulated. But yeah, we got everything sort of sectioned out, you know, where we want the desk, where we want the cabinets, the sink, all of the different components. The closet, like garage area right here. So closet, garage area. This is gonna be the bed. Over here is the bathroom. Cabinet space here, just over top of this cooler. This is probably where we're gonna have like a desk or a bench. I haven't fully decided. I'm thinking maybe the desk would be better over here, but at the same time I haven't fully figured that out. Couch, or maybe the desk would be better right here. It's right in front. I have a window here, couch there, desk here. This is counter space, sink, more counter space probably. Storage underneath and above. Yeah, so far so good. Well, not bad. We got all but 5 pieces of the foam cut. We have, you know, pretty good pace being set. And then we're putting plywood down, and then it really starts taking form. Then we actually have like a full-on floor. And then I'll start taping things out. Walls and stuff are gonna be, geez, I can't think. Anyway, yep, update time. Well, we got every piece of foam cut. So now it's on to gluing shit down. We got this liquid nails for the wood, and then got another foam specific adhesive. Yeah, all weather, all season, baby. We should have a floor by the end of the day. Hell yeah, see ya. Woo! It is getting warm in the bus. You can really tell that this stuff is working. We're screwed in and glued down up to about here, but it's looking pretty dang good. I like it. I like it a lot. Just gotta do some fine tuning, squeeze everything together. Not looking too bad. That cutout worked perfect. Look at that. Damn. Not too shabby if I do say so myself. Gonna need to put a brace in here. That stinks, but oh well. And it's looking good. Well, it only took all day, but the floor is in. Look at that. Look at it. Wow. Hell yeah. Look at that. And now we have, ouch, dang. Now we have a really awesome foundation for the build that we're gonna do. It's pretty incredible. All right. Gonna be a big day tomorrow. We're starting on the walls. Probably working on some windows maybe. We'll see. Laying out the roof. Taking all this stuff down. It's big project. All right. Bye.